So there are 4 ways to activate alcohols, to turn them into halides or sulfonates. So we're taking an OH in all these cases and turning them into a bromine or chlorine, or the sulfonate, the tosyl, that's at the end here. Things to know about all of these. All right? SN1 and SN2 are possible, but these ones form carbocations. Obviously only with secondary OHs, not primary, can't do that. But they can form carbocations, so that's a problem, because carbocations will rearrange. All right? Reactions with PBr3 or PI3. These are SN2 only, right? So then because they're SN2 only, they only work with primary and secondary alcohols. So no carbocations, so that's nice. But we get inversion, right? We either have a bromine or an iodine in this case. SOCl2, right? Again, very similar to, right, PBr3, SN2 only with primary and secondary alcohols. Again, no carbocations. Bit of a different mechanism, right? It makes that SO2 gas, which helps drive the reaction. Right? But again, we get SN2, we get inversion. Right? We get inversion here, and we get inversion here. Right? Finally, with these sulfonyl chlorides, again, SN2, that first kind of step, right? Or we could do E2, but these actually don't, there's no carbocations. And we actually get retention, which is then able to do an SN2 in a second step. In a different reaction. So that allows us to choose our own nucleophile. Whereas with these, I'm stuck with chlorine. I'm stuck with bromine. With this one, I can choose any nucleophile I want. I could choose a Grignard, right? I could choose I could use a C minus, any kind of C minus, right? So this gives us a little more possibilities that way. You got to be careful with tertiary ones. You can get some E2, you can get some elimination as well. So there's kind of our, right? You should obviously know the mechanisms for all these, but there's kind of the wrap up, the summary of these 4 ways to activate alcohols.